Welcome everyone, my name is Jason Weaver. I'm the managing partner with Weaver Consulting Group, a local registered investment advisor practice in Huntington Beach, California. Today we're going to be talking about three topics from our most recent conference call in 3 minutes. Markets and elections, third quarter 2018 earnings, oil and inflation. So history shows that preceding a midterm election, and again before that vote, we typically experience a correction. But after the outcome, regardless of who wins, the stock market has averaged a 17% return over the next 12 months. Here's the last two midterm elections of a 31 and 9% return after the vote, and a correction of 16% and 7% leading into the vote. Third quarter 2018 earnings. So the third quarter earnings are actually really good. We've had 90% of those companies report, 78% actually have beat earnings, and the average revenue growth has been 8.5%. As we look into the fourth quarter, we've had 70 companies actually give projections or guidance. 46% have had negative guidance going into the fourth quarter, and again, 24% have issued positive. So it's going to be a mixed bag going into the fourth quarter of 2018. As you can see, this is the actual earnings that we saw in the third quarter. Energy, financials, and utilities experienced below estimates in the third quarter. Oil and inflation. So there's a lot of correlation between oil and inflation. Typically, again, an input cost like oil can directly affect the bottom line of a company. And the correlation, as you can see from this chart, as oil tends to come down, typically, again, inflation will follow. We haven't seen that yet, but we are starting to see the consumer price index, or the inflation gauge, is starting to show that potentially in the fourth quarter of this year and the first quarter of next year, we might start getting lower readings in inflation. Thank you again for joining us for 3 and 3.